the procedure for compensation of damage to business entities of the Batken region affected by the conflict of the Kyrgyz-Tajik border on April 28-30, 2021 has been improved. The corresponding resolution was signed by the chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers, Ulukbek Maripov. It was adopted in order to provide state support for business entities of Batken region, as well as in accordance with the presidential decree on priority measures for the restoration and development of border villages of Batken region. According to the adopted decision, Ayil Bank and RSK Bank recommended to restructure the borrowed funds received by residents and business entities of the Batken region who suffered as a result of the conflict. The Ministry of Economy and Finance, in accordance with the Budget and Finance Committee of the Parliament, was instructed to issue a budget loan to 76 affected entrepreneurs in the amount of 15.2 million Kyrgyz soms on the following conditions. The loan amount is 200,000 Kyrgyz soms each, the interest rate of 0.1% per annum. The loan repayment period is 3 years in quarterly equal payment. On an unsecured basis, financial sanctions 0.2% per annum accrued on the amount of overdue debt. Grace period for payment of the principal amount of debt 1 year. Also, the Ministry of Economy and Finance will ensure the payment of one-time compensation for damage to affected entrepreneurs in the amount of 14,505,000 Kyrgyz soms in accordance with the procedure. The resolution comes into force from the date of its official publication.